Hello guys, welcome to CAD Main. In this tutorial we are going to designing a gear use essential features like Revolved Boss command, Extruded Cut command, Circular Pattern command, Fillet command to bring our design to life. We'll also assign material and customize appearance to give our material a professional look. I hope you'll enjoy it. Now if you're ready, let's get started. Go to the File menu. Click New. Click on Part and click OK. Go to the background scene and select plain white. To increase the sketch resolution more better, go to the Options setting. Click Document Properties. Click on Image Quality, increase the resolutions like this. Click OK. Now go to the sketch. Click on Sketch. Choose the front plane. Now take the center line command and draw a center line here in the origin point to upside. Click Exit. Again take the line command and draw a rough sketch of the gear like this. Click OK. Take the Smart Dimension command and give the distance from this line to the center line as 26 mm. Click OK. Distance from this line to the center line is 14.5 mm. Click OK. Give the taper angle from this line to this one as 15 degrees. Click OK. Length of this line is 1 mm. Click OK. Total length of this vertical line is 10 mm. Click OK. The distance between this line and the center line is 6 mm. Click OK. Again click OK to finish the command. Here we see our sketch is fully defined. Now go to the features and click on Revolved Boss command. Now click here and select the sketch. Click here and give the center line as axis of revolution. Zoom out. Click OK. Now click on this surface. Click Sketch. Take a center line command and draw it from the origin point to the upside like this. Click Exit. Now take the Circle command and draw a circle here. Give the circle diameter as for millimeters. Click OK. Select this edge and click on Convert Entities. Now take the Line command and draw a line from the circle tangent like this. Click Exit. Again take the Line command and draw the same line from this circle tangent to the bigger circle. Click Exit. Now take the Smart Dimension command and give the angle from this line to the center line as 30 degrees. Click OK. Again choose this line and the center line and give the angle of 30 degrees. Click OK. Again click OK to finish the command. Now take the Trim Entities command and erase all these extra lines like this. Click OK. Now go to the features and take the Extruded Cut command. Select here through all. Click OK. Make it normal. Zoom out. Select Cut Extruded 1. Take the Circular Pattern command. Choose this edge as an axis of revolution. Give the pattern's number as 12 with equal spacing. Click OK. Here we see we have created perfect teeth of the gear. Make it normal. Take the Fillet command. Give the fillet value as 0.5 mm. Select this face. Rotate a little and select this face. Again rotate it to this side a little. Now select all the teeth faces one by one like this. Click OK. Here we see it looks perfect and amazing now. Rotate it like this. Now go to the appearance. Click metal. Click magnesium. Choose the brushed magnesium. Here we see it looks amazing now. Now click on this face. Click Sketch. Take the center rectangle command and draw a rectangle here on this circular profile quadrant. Click Exit. Take the Smart Dimension command and give the length as 3 mm. Click OK. Distance from origin point is 8.24 mm. Click OK. Again click OK to finish the command. Make it normal. Now go to the features and click on Extruded Cut command. Select here through all. Click OK. Rotate a little. It looks amazing now. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share and comments. Thanks for watching.